Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are looking at my first ever order from Planner Kate, and some very disappointing sticky notes. So I already markered over everything, but then I decided, well, let me put sticky notes on top of it too. They don't want to stay. See, they just they just don't want to stay. So anyway, here is the box. I'm gonna take all the stuff out of the box. Nothing inside, it's just a normal cardboard box. Cute little sticker and some paper. Okay. It does come packaged very nicely in bubble wrap and, you know, the cute paper. Okay. Alright, so this really shouldn't have warranted a big box, except that I don't have any Planner Kate stuff. And considering the fiasco of attempting to store Archer and Olive stickers and other stickers that don't fit in normal storage, I bought storage to go with them, so I don't have that problem. To check the plastic into the garbage can. Alright, so you get a Planner Kate sticker, that's cute. Let's do these. So these are albums for her stickers, which we're going to put away right after we look at the stickers. So they come flat, and they should have, well, I kind of wish they came with directions. And rubber bands too, actually. But yeah, so they just fold like along here, and now you have a spine and a stand-up sticker book with, like, you know, photo album type pages. So I got this one, these smaller stickers, and then I got this one for the bigger stickers. I don't even know if I bought stickers that warrant this size, but it seems like a good idea to get them both. Again, citing my issue with Archer and Olive, which actually I have solved, but we'll look at that in another video. Because it's not the best solution, but it'll work for right now. Okay, and so now we've got a pink stripe one. She does have a bunch of albums on sale, and she has Warehouse Wednesdays, which is what I shopped, so certain things were like super cheap. And then there's freebies and all kinds of things, and I don't understand any of the sizes for any of this stuff. So I bought things that I think I can use in pretty much any one of my planners. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. We'll see that when we try to use them, but I don't know if I'm that wrong. So I generally just got, like, stuff. So, okay, free Planner Kate sticker, and now this is... They're samplers, so there's like an S on it. So this is S634, and this is, I don't even know, that's a lot of numbers there. But those are checklists. And these are super small boxes, like insanely small boxes. And let's see. So we've got electric due, car insurance, savings deposit, credit card due, loan due, cell phone due, car payment, rent due, mortgage due. So budgeting stickers. And then we got a bunch of little bullets. And then we've got solid tiny labels. Cool. Okay, so that's the freebies. This is a reformat sale. So this is Black Month script planner stickers. And if I remember correctly, these are Gen Plan's font. So this is just like 4 sets of months for the year. You know how I am about having stuff to redate things. Even in my dated planners, I'm like, I don't like the way that month looks, and I replace it. So I like to have a lot of them. I like this font. So I grabbed these. And again, should work in pretty much any sticker. And these cool designs on the sides, they're stickers. You could use them for washi. You could cut them up for boxes. If you don't want to use them for stickers, you could punch them and put them in, like, you know, on discs. So they fit in that one. Okay, now let's see. B, 6B. Oh, that's right. Okay, so I bought, I do believe, yeah, 3 of these. One for me and one for each of my friends at work. Although since I placed this order, that friend has now left our place of employment, and I'm very sad. So I only need one. So these all say Mental Health Day. I'm trying to see. They're in the mini size, and it says that they're standard. I don't know what that means. But they're Mental Health Day, and that's what they are. So this is like, if you put this number in the website, then it should bring you to these. And I bought 3 of those. And then let's see, this one is EBT 59. So she calls them event stickers. So this is a whole bunch of stickers that say edit. And then this is 58. So this is a whole bunch of stickers that say film. Which is what we're doing right now. And let's see, then I've got a whole bunch of Happy Mail that might last a month, maybe not. And then I got an entire sheet of Trash Day and an entire sheet of rent due. So rent is due once a month, and there's oh, that doesn't work. Okay. So there's 24 of this size. And there's 28 of that size. So I got like 4+ years worth of rent due stickers. I'm good. Let's see. Okay, doctor's appointment, and I did get 2 of these because I have a lot of those. And then the church stickers, I wanted to see what they looked like in person. They're cute. As long as they fit in the space allotted on Sunday, I'll probably get more of those. As long as they're not something that she's phasing out. I hope not. So these are all the smaller sized stickers that I ordered. And then there's these bigger sheets. And there's not that many. Just 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think there's only 4 of the bigger ones. Okay, so I got 2 of these. These are from my social media planner, obviously. So we got film, edit, upload, film, edit, upload, film, edit, upload, and it comes all the way down here. So, like, she seriously squeezes as many stickers onto these things as she can, which is awesome. And these will definitely fit in any of my planners. Even the little B6, these would work in. But, you know, I do the social media planning in the Classic Happy Planner. And then I got 2 of these. This is again the Jen Plans font, and it's totally Elise's fault that I love this font. It's completely her fault. But so this is all like days of the week, and then there's like a couple like to-dos. So again, I like to replace the days, as you know. So I just wanted to be able to try these out and see if I like them. Well, I try to figure out the bizarre sizing, because I don't understand what size the stickers are. Like, there's nothing that explains this. I don't understand. I mean, I'm making myself sound like an idiot. I realize that. But I don't understand the stickers, that the sizes, the codes. I don't know what these things mean. So it makes shopping on there really complicated. So I figured I would go with things that really, it would be very hard for them to not work in, like, you know, any planner. Like, I mean, even there's tiny ones, so obviously those will also fit, you know, in something even as small as my B6. I have A6s, oh, I have one A6, and then I have those pocket ones, which are basically A6. They might be a little smaller. These would even work in those. So pick your tiny planner, and you're going to be okay. All right, so I'm going to try just doing both sides at once to save myself some struggle here. So we are trying something new today, aside from new stickers. So for those of you who notice, if you could let me know if the new thing is more or less annoying than the prior solution, that would be fantastic. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, cool. Oh no. No. It didn't happen with the other ones. No. No. Come back here, you. Trash day stickers are super important. You need 2 every week. You can't go jumping off the sheets like that. Alright, so maybe doubling up on them like that isn't the best idea. Clearly there's an issue with doing that. I really don't think it was the sticker sheets. I think it was me trying to cut corners and go faster. And that's what I get for doing that. Alright, so these are the same? No, these are different. Okay. They are in fact both social media, but they are different sheets. So we'll put them in here differently. Now she does make a sticker book specifically for those little samplers that she sends out. Because like you don't pick these, you don't order them, she just sends them. And I don't know if it's like you get X number based on what you spent, or if just these are the ones they sent out this week. Like, I have no idea how that works. Alright, so I still have to give one of those away. Okay, and these are the same. Aww. It was going so well. Alright. This box has been here. I'm not even sure. I ordered this on September 30th? September 28th or 26th. And I'm just going to stick these in here. And this stuff was all here. Like, it was shipped a day or so after that. And didn't take long to get here at all. So that was, like, amazing to me. I'm used to having to wait a long time for stuff to get here. Especially Happy Planner stuff. That stuff takes forever. Okay, so now we've got the small stickers in there. And then this one I can give the one friend that's still at work. Not that I only have one friend at work, but there are friends who use planners and there are friends who don't. And I only had 2 that use planners. So, okay, so these are both the same. This is Jen Flynn's font, which I think they're still doing her font. They're just formatting it somehow, or they're formatting the sheets or something. I don't really understand the whole reformat thing. And these are the same. So, like, really, it's like the most expensive thing I bought was the albums to hold the stickers, because I figured, well, if I like the stickers, then, you know, you guys know me. If I like them, there's a lot are going to show up in my mailbox. So, okay, so we've got them. So we've got the albums. They're in the albums now. They look cute, right? They're all pretty with colors, so you can match it to, like, whatever spread. So, you know, I think it's cool. I only got 2 kinds of the big ones, so it's only 1 page, but So I'm sure these will get filled up at some point, and then we're going to have to buy more albums, so we'll see. But at least they are useful, functional stickers for me. And I didn't really, is there an order total on here? No, of course not. But my recollection is that I did not spend a whole lot because everything was on sale. Like I said, it was some kind of Warehouse Wednesday thing. So it was like not expensive at all to get all of this stuff. So I was very happy about that. Let me just check something. Why does that keep happening? Weird. Alright, so anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos. And I'll see you in the next one.